Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be our last video for section 3.3. We're going to call this 3.3 part 4, the final part of this section. If the function f of x is equal to x minus 4, solve the following. Now notice that part A is an equation. F of x equals 7. Well, what did they just tell us f of x was equal to? F of x, another name for f of x is x minus 4. So if f of x equals 7, that means that x minus 4 equals 7. If I solve this equation, it's as easy as adding 4 to both sides. Therefore, x is equal to 11. This solution set is the number 11. This equation has one answer. And if you recall from previous material, an equation with one answer is called a conditional. Now, this is a little different. This is not an equation, this is an inequality. But we're going to still approach it the same way. F of x is told to be less than or equal to 7. Well, what's f of x? F of x is x minus 4. X minus 4 is less than or equal to 7. To solve this inequality, I add 4 to both sides. X is less than or equal to 11. Now obviously this is not an equation, it's an inequality. And how many real numbers are less than or equal to 11? Infinitely many. So one of the things I want you to be catching in this problem is an equation is what part A was asking us to solve, and an inequality is what we were being asked to solve in part B. And in general, it's not always true, but in general, an equation has a finite number of answers and an inequality has an infinite number of answers. That's a pretty general rule. It happens most of the time. Okay, our last problem is a word problem. In a certain rectangle, the length is 3 feet more than the width. Find the values W for the width such that the perimeter of the rectangle is less than 86. Again, a picture's worth 1,000 words. When I draw my rectangle, I label the width as W. My length is 3 feet more, so we're going to label the length as W plus 3. Now, what the problem told me is perimeter is less than 86. Well, remember how you find perimeter. Twice the length plus twice the width is the perimeter. 2 times L plus 2 times the width. Well, in this case, L is W plus 3, and the width is W. So twice the quantity W plus 3, twice the length, plus twice the width, which is W, is less than, so less than, you put the less than symbol, 86. When I distribute, I have 2W plus 6 plus 2W is less than 86. When I collect like terms, 4W plus 6 is less than 86. Subtract the 6, 4W is less than 80. Divide by 4, no sign reversal. W is less than 20. Now, W is less than 20 is an okay answer. But a number of you are going on into college algebra, and in college algebra, that's a dicey answer. W is less than 20, okay? We know width has to be positive. So if you just say W is less than 20, you're actually allowing negative numbers into your answer. Now in Math 1033, we're going to let you get by with W is less than 20. Course Compass will let you say that. But if you're a college algebra student next semester or in the future, please remember the best way to write your answer is as a sandwich. W is less than 20, but W is also greater than 0. And I wouldn't be doing my job as an instructor if I didn't tell you that's the best way to write the answer. In 1033, we'll let you get by with W is less than 20, but again, in future courses, it's best, you know, if you're going especially into the college algebra where precision is so important, to write this part of it as well. The W is greater than 0, but W is less than 20. Okay,